Hello traders. So today we are trading in the binary options. So first of all we are going to select the currency pair. So let's look how USD JPY is working. So here we can see the smooth formation has formed and we are taking the trade of $200 because the strong candlestick has formed in bearish side. So here you can see the reaction how it has given to us. So if you are going to make the profit, we are going to make of $170, and if you are going to make the loss, we are going to make the loss of $200. Now let's wait and watch. So here we are just going to wait and watch what happens. So there is a strong pressure from buyers as well, as we can see. 12 seconds are left. Sellers have got entered. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we have made the profit of $170. Now let's wait and watch for the another entry. Always remember while trading not to make hurry for execution of trade. Just wait for the proper signal and then only execute. Now here I am also seeing the round number. The grid lines are working as a round number. Let's see and let's watch what happens. Previous candlestick was the indecision candlestick, so that's why we are waiting. Now let's watch for the another currency pair. Just wait and watch. Don't hurry to execute the trade. So now let's see for Euro AUD. Smooth formation is there. Market is moving in the channel. Now just wait and watch. So here you can see it has given the breakout to the round number, as well as it has given the breakout to the channel. So here we are having the two signals, as well as this particular candlestick is very strong. And if you have registered to the binary option secret reveal course, you will understand that we are having here the smooth formation. So this is the reason that we have executed the trade, and we have taken the trade with $100 two times. First trade which we have executed, it has got executed little lower side, and another trade we have executed exactly at the point where the candlestick has got closed, that is the previous candlestick has got closed. Now 17 seconds are left. If we are going to win this trade, we are going to make profit of $174. If we are going to lose it, we are going to lose $200. So let's wait and watch. So here we have made the profit of $174. Now immediately we have to not execute the trade. We have to just wait little bit. This trade was also easy for us to execute, but we have to wait, because as previously you can see before the smooth formation market was not so good. So we had to execute the trade which is going to be having less risk. So let's just wait and watch what happens and what we have to do. Now we are going to see for the another currency pair as well. Now here you might think that how I am looking for the currency pair just by looking at the currency pair name. I am also using the tradingview.com for doing the chart analysis. It's not like I'm just focusing on the IQ option. I'm also looking for the tradingview.com. So here we have taken the put trade because previous candlestick was strong, and this was the reason that we have gone for the put trade. Now let's wait and watch. Here we have taken $100 trade because, as previously I had told you, smooth formation, strong presence of sellers, previous candlestick also strong candlestick which is having the strong presence of sellers. So that is the reason why we have taken the put. Now let's wait and watch. In this market situation, there is a probability that market can get reversed from this point only, because we are not having the nearby support. So that is can be the reason why market can get reverse. So we have got a profit of $87 by very minute point. If we have executed the trade at the candlestick closing, then we might have made the loss, but we have executed the trade with our strategy provided in binary option secret revealed course, and we have made the profit of $87. Let's wait for the next entry. Now this is the pre-recorded video, and then later on I am giving the voiceover, because what is happening is that I was not providing the video on the YouTube. The reason behind it is that I was not able to properly explain, as well as I was not able to properly trade. It is like calling as multitasking. So I was not able to do properly the multitasking. So I have decided to do the pre-recording of video, and then later on I am going to provide the voiceover, in which I am going to provide you proper information that why I am executing the particular trade. I am telling again and again, just wait and watch, because market is not so good for executing the trade at each and every candlestick. Now just wait and watch and just see whether market is good or bad. Now how are we deciding? We are deciding based on the how market was working previously. Though we are having the smooth formation here, but we have to also see that how the market was there previously. So in a UDJPY, let's see, are we getting any sort of trade or not. If it breaks the round number, then we will execute. Yes. So $100 trade we have executed because it has break the consolidation phase with a strong candlestick, and as well as it has given the break to the round number. So we have executed the trade for the call side. Now I am not just executing the trade based on the round number. Those who are new to this channel, they will think that I am only executing based on a round number. We are making the combination of each and every strategy, and then we are executing the trade which are only high probability. So here we have taken the $100 trade, and if we are going to win this trade, we are going to make the profit of $85, and loss is going to be of $100. Now let's just wait and watch. So 10 seconds are been left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this was the strong move. It is not loading, network problem, no issues. In Euro AUD, you have seen that how the strong bearish move we have got. So here we have taken the call trade, because as we all know that here we are having the strong entry of buyers in AUD/JPY. So we have taken the call trade with minimal amount. It's just of $50, because here we can have the risk. So therefore we have taken the trade with only $50. Previously we were taking the high probability trades with $200, less probability trades with $100, and with no probability we are just taking with $50. So just have a patience and wait and watch what happens. The reason behind this trade is smooth formation, trend, and all the certain criterias. Okay, so here 9 seconds are been left. We are having the entry of buyers 3 2 1 0. So with minimal points we have gone into the profit side. Due to the network it's not loading, but I will show at the end my trading history, so no issues in that. So here you can see how strong entry of buyers has happened later on after a few 5 to 10 seconds. Just wait and watch. Rejection has also came. That shows that market is trying to make the strong resistance point at that particular level. So don't get hurry and start executing the trade anywhere at any point. Just wait and watch. Again and again I am saying, in trading patience is very important, and having the proper plan. So here we have gone for the put trade because we were assuming and we are having the analysis that market is trying to make the strong resistance at that particular level from where the doji candlestick starting has happened, that is from where the high has got formed of the previous candlestick. So here we have taken the put trade, and let's wait and watch what happens. This trade we have executed with $30 only because previous candlestick is a doji candlestick, so it doesn't show us the proper sign of bearish, but we have executed based on the resistance it is trying to form there. Let's just wait and watch. Yes, we have made the profit of $25 here as well. It was a risky trade. Now here again we have taken the trade of $30. Next candle is forming very good. $49 seconds are been left, and we are having the strong entry of buyers. Let's hope we win this trade as well. So here we are having the good move in the upper direction, but again we are having the rejection. Let's wait and watch. Only 22 seconds are being left. 20 seconds left. So here we have made our loss of $30, no problem. Now we are just going to wait for our next entry. Don't get hyper or don't get panic for executing the next trade, or we can say for covering your loss. In the scenario of covering the loss, we make more loss. So always remember, whenever you are going to make the loss, you have to be calm and you have to wait for the next entry. Don't get panic for executing the next trade. So let's just wait and watch. Now we are going to execute another trade with $10 if we are going to execute in current market, because market is not so good, but we have to execute one more trade. If we get good trade, that is the high probability trade, then we might go for $100. But currently I'm only focusing on taking the trade with less quantity. So here we have taken the call trade. The reason behind it is that market is in the uptrend. We are having the previous candlestick as a strong candlestick. It's just the problem that we are having the entry at the wrong point. So it can be the reason that why we can make the loss. We are having the strong momentum in the upper direction. Let's just expect that it hold for more 12 seconds. So here we can see the entry of sellers. So we have made the loss consecutively 2 times. So we are going to stop our trading. So at the bottom you can see previous day trades. I have provided the video on it also. The link will be there in the description. So here first trade we have made the profit of $170, then profit of $174, then $87, then $85, $42, then $25, and then we have made the two loss, one of $30 and another of $10. In all we have made the profit of $543. So if you have any doubts regarding why I have executed the trades, or you are having any problems regarding it, message me. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you.